Right, I'm wearing this out. Hello, good morning, welcome to or back to my channel. My name is Aubrey. If you are new here, today is Monday, we're starting the week off. I want to bring you along my week as I do. This morning I made a little banana pancake situation for breakfast and it was good. And now today should be fun. I'm going to my first ever Pilates class. I've never been. Actually, like the first couple years of living in New York, I loved going to classes and it's such a big thing in New York. Then we moved to the place that we're at now and we pay this amenities fee. So you get all the amenities in the building and then also the gym. So since then, I've only just ever gone to the gym in my building and I haven't really been to classes. Haven't tried a Pilates class and I'm a little nervous, to be honest. Any situation where I don't know the setup can cause anxiety a little bit. Like I'm excited. I know it will be fine. I'm gonna go a little bit early. I'm gonna stop by Aloe to get some of those like Pilates socks. I don't have any right now. And I know you can buy them at the studio, but I'm just gonna go to Aloe and get them socks. Kind of want to like walk around, so I want to go a little early, go to some shops, mosey on over there, be early so I can like check out the machine. I've never been on a reformer before, which I'm really excited about because I have a feeling I'm gonna love it. But I'm going to Body Rock as my little entryway. I heard maybe that was like a good one to start with, so we'll see how it goes. It's a little nerve-wracking to do any type of thing like this, but you really just have to like go once and figure out the setup and then like you're fine. That's today. So I'm gonna get dressed. I still have some time. I'm gonna do some more work. I've been working a little bit and I haven't gotten dressed yet, but I am going to head out and bring you along. So let's see how my first Pilates class goes. I'm nervous. It's okay, it'll be fine. Right, I'm wearing this Aloe set in espresso. These are the high lift leggings and the ribbed bra. I'm gonna throw something over this, but I feel like I'm gonna be hot, so I want for this to be my bottom layer that I could wear. This top is actually also from Aloe. It's like the ruched one. I like it because it's nice and light, and then maybe like a sweatshirt, jacket. Let's go. All right, I just got back from my class and then I walked through the Union Square Farmers Market, but I didn't pick anything up because it was kind of late, so everything was picked over. Oh, I got my ass kicked in that class. Oh my god, I can't even hold you up. First of all, full body. The reformer is pretty tough. It turns out I picked the hardest class. It was really, really, really hard. It was all on the back of the reformer, so you have like the tension of the whole thing. So everything, I was like, this is so heavy. Like it's really heavy weight or tension because you're on the back of it. If you're on the front of it, it like slides pretty easily and then you change the tension, but this was all in the back. I walked in and they were like, oh, it's Murder Monday and it's cardio full sculpt. And she was like, oh, that's technically our hardest class. They're like, they're all hard, but this is the hardest one. And I was like, lovely, let's do it. And holy shit, it was so hard. I could barely walk down the stairs to get to the subway, to Subway home. And my whole body is like jello right now. I'm gonna rinse myself, shower, and then I might take a bath. I might go, actually, maybe I'll go in the sauna now. I wanna go sauna because I really wanna add that into my routine, but I'm so tired. So yeah. I went to Body Rock and it was crazy. Don't go to cardio sculpt for your first one. But I know that if I continue doing it, I'm gonna be shredded. I also just kind of realized that I really don't have a lot of core strength, so that's something that I need to work on because my arms and my legs are much stronger than my core. So yeah, I need to wash my hair because I sweat so much. Maybe I'll go in the sauna now so that I'm all sweaty and then we'll go. So for dinner, I decided to make taco bowls. So I took this pepper, cut it up julienne, and then cut it up a little bit smaller. I've been working on my knife skills, so this is a lot of fun. Then I cut up a white onion, took off the little skin part. I don't really always cut an onion correctly. This one's still a work in progress, but you need a little dice. So like however you want to achieve that, I'm not a chef, so don't make fun of me. I am an amateur home chef, babes. Dice that baby up, and then you put a pan on the stove with a little bit of oil, heat that up. I put in like 85% of the onions and all of the peppers, but that's only because I like raw onion on things, so I put the rest of the raw onion on my half. But if you don't want to do that, cook it all down, that's great. Till it's a little bit softer, I took a can of corn, rinsed that out with the strainer, and then put that in a little container for later. And then I did the same thing with beans. Wow, that looks like vomit. I am so sorry. But I rinsed the beans. And then I took a head of romaine. I washed them individually, put them in this little lettuce salad spinner. This is one of the best things I have in the kitchen. It is from OXO, I think. So I rinsed that off, put them all in the basket. Then I take the basket and rinse, because there is truly nothing worse than dirty lettuce. So give it a good rinse, put the top on, give it a good spin so that it's all dry, and this thing is the best. Then I put in the ground chicken with the peppers, heat that up. These are all the spices I use. I put a shit ton of spices. So taco seasoning, cumin, salt and pep, garlic powder, stir that all in. I added a little bit of water because there's not a lot of fat in the chicken and I didn't want to add any more oil, but it just made it come together a little bit more. When the chicken is done cooking, you add the beans and the corn just to heat it all up. Season to taste. Again, I added a shit ton of seasoning because I like flavor. Then I cut up some cilantro, shredded up a little bit of the lettuce to make some shreddis, because we decided we were going to do like taco salad bowls. Made a little dip with cumin, lime, and Greek yogurt, and here is the finished bowl. They were so freaking good, very healthy and easy alternative to some tacos. Then I cleaned up and called it a night.